Hello, welcome to week number four's video. Today I will be talking about multimedia composition and what it all involves and how it can be applied to the world of music and technologies for future projects. Now, what is multimedia composition, you may be asking? Well, multimedia composition is a creative process of creating music, combining multiple modes of media on top of already having music, like text or video, and the interaction between all these different modes of media. All these elements bring the piece of music more life and better convey the messages of the music that is being played or performed. In this video, I wanted to focus on how audio and visuals are able to merge together, as well as how they're able to interact with one another and possibly even influence each other through certain algorithms or programs. My example for a piece of multimedia composition will be this piece shown in the picture above. This is a multimedia composition created by Hongshuo that involves one live performer and one AI powered visual video generator. This AI intakes the audio from the live performer and the space around them and converts it through an algorithm that outputs a visual display that shows on the screen behind the performer. And due to the AI always changing depending on what kind of music it's played, whether loud, soft, hard, or quiet, the visuals will also change with it, meaning that the live performer can directly influence the AI visual generation and the visuals that are displayed on the screen behind them at all times. Now, to better understand how the audio actually affects the visual on screen, it's best to understand the process that this AI goes through to construct the visuals that are shown. This whole process starts with the sensing step, where the AI takes in the actual audio from the sound and the performer in the space and extracts it into something that the program can more easily understand. Next is the processing phase. This is when the extracted info from the AI listening to the performer is then converted into an LSTM based recurrent neural network. This stands for long short term memory. LSTMs can remember important contexts over extended periods, making them especially efficient for tasks like speech recognition, language modeling, time series predictions, or in this case, music recognition. This allows the program to learn more and more the more that music is played for it, and this allows it to be better at converting the music and noises into something visual to be displayed on screen. The final step for this whole process is the response that the AI gives from the extracted audio converted through the program and then spits out a visual representation of what it heard. And this is how AI and multimedia interactions can be used to create a more interactive and interesting composition. This idea is really interesting, and the applications of programs like this are truly endless. Taking pieces of live music not only could deal with visual displays on a screen, but imagine if it could change other things, like maybe the lights on a stage, or the stage itself if the stage has moving mechanisms. Applying this to a live concert could add a sense of randomness and uniqueness to each show depending on the venue. Well, that is all for this week's video. This week we learned about multimedia composition and how it can be used with different elements of media and even AI to create a very interesting piece of music. Here are all the pictures and the sources that I used for this video. Thank you and have a good one.